guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. You know, my name is Side Hustle Keisha. I come to you bringing side hustles that you could do on the weekend after your full-time job, in your spare time, or full-time and part-time opportunities that you can work from home. Okay, so I look for opportunities where you can make money from home, side hustles from home, full-time, part-time work from home. Make sure you guys subscribe, hit that notification button, so every time I upload a video, you're in the know. You know, I'm on Instagram, you know, I'm on Facebook, and you follow me here on YouTube. Make sure you are in the know, so stay connected on all platforms. You guys, I'm talking about this is a quick side hustle, won't be long before you. This opportunity actually is a cool side hustle for you to do at your convenience. You know, you can get paid, really get paid to take pictures of properties for offsite owners. Okay, so let me just tell you about this opportunity really quick. This opportunity it was built in a unique way for offsite property owners to better manage their property and oversee building and renovation projects from anywhere. Okay, to help them accomplish this, company works with viewers across the country who are using their smartphones to capture and upload photos of nearby sites. Okay, they pay typically anywhere between $7 to $50 depending on the complexity of the view. Okay, funds are added to your I view it wallet, and you can select to withdraw at any time. All views are paid via PayPal. Okay, so if you have a smartphone and you like to make extra cash, this might be a nice gig for you. You should be aware that there's no guarantee opportunities will come up in your area, but the only way to get them when they have them is to make sure you're signed up. So just another little side hustle you could do. It comes up, you can do it, make some quick money, put it in your pocket. You can actually do it if you want to just say, hey, if I can make some money on the weekend, this is our extracurricular activity money. Well, however you want to do it, or save it, whatever you guys want to do, pay a bill, whatever is needed. So our viewer network is made up of an amazing group of everyday people across the country who have like a smartphone and desire to make some extra cash. That's all you need to get started. Simply download the app, register to start claiming views near your viewers near you today. So like our viewers, every view is unique. Read the specific instructions for every view, take the requested photo of the property, answer survey questions, and click submit. Our team will review your completed view within 24 hours and credit your view iView wallet. Okay, completing the view is simple. Let's go over and let you guys check it out. You guys remember that this opportunity will always be below in the description. All you have to do is click the link in the description, and it'll take you right to the opportunity so you can get started. So I view it as the company, become a viewer, and you would just come here and get started, you guys. So it's a quick opportunity to make anywhere from $7 to $50 every time you view an opportunity. And if you live in an area where they get a lot of opportunities, it can be a cool little extra side hustle for you. Okay, you guys, thank you for watching this video. Make sure you subscribe, make sure you share this with a friend who's looking for some side hustle money. Okay, I'll be back with more job opportunities, full-time, part-time, and opportunities for you to make money from home. I also have some entrepreneur opportunities for you to create an extra streamline of cash as an entrepreneur. Okay, have a good one. Bye bye.